In an age where privacy is more crucial than ever, using end-to-end encryption in our messaging apps provides an extra layer of security for our personal conversations. In this video, I'll show you how to remove a device from using end-to-end encryption on Messenger, ensuring that your private conversations remain secure and accessible only where you want them to be. Start by opening the Messenger app. Tap the menu icon at the top of the screen to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, tap the settings icon located at the top. This will take you to the Messenger settings menu. In the settings menu, tap on Privacy and Safety. This will open the Privacy and Safety screen, where you can manage various security settings. Scroll down to the Security section and tap on End-to-End Encrypted Chats. This action will take you to a screen dedicated to managing your encrypted chats. Within the End-to-End Encrypted Chats screen, tap on Security Alerts. The Security Alerts screen will open, displaying options related to your encryption settings. Tap View Logins on the Security Alerts screen. Here, you'll see a list of all the devices currently authorized to send and receive end-to-end encrypted messages and calls through Messenger. On the Login Info page, tap Log Out. A pop-up window will appear, informing you that if you log back into Messenger on this device, you won't see any end-to-end encrypted messages that were sent while you were logged out. Finally, tap Remove. This action will log you out of Messenger on the selected device, and you will not be able to see any messages that were sent or received on this device while it was logged out. If you have any other questions or tips, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.